Welcome to our TrojanLabel T2C tech support video series. Today, we'll review how to load new rolls of material onto the TrojanLabel T2C. Before you load your new material into the T2C, adjust the left edge of the media roll to be 57.3 millimeters from the wall. This ensures that the media left edge will be at the same position as the left edge of the printhead nozzles. It doesn't have to be exactly 57.3 millimeters. Just set it close to 57 millimeters from the wall. The label edge sensor will make the position correction later, once it's set. To load material, make sure the mandrels are loosened. Set the collars on the mandrels to be 57 millimeters from the back wall of the printer. Make sure the nip roller is open. Put an empty core on the take-up mandrel. Put the supply media on the unwind mandrel. Then thread the material up through the edge sensor, through the gap sensor, through the nip roller, over the print nip, over the slit nip, and down to the take-up core. Take a closer look here. You can see that the material is loaded over the rollers. Tape the lead edge to the core and give it one wind to ensure it won't slip off the core when applying tension. Close the nip clamp by placing it into the upward position. Go to the Trojan 2 tab, then to Media Handling, and press Calibrate Web. The printer will then apply tension to the web. That's it. Now you know how to load new rolls of material onto the TrojanLabel T2C. For additional tech support videos, please visit our TrojanLabel video playlist. Thank you very much.